abatezeyo kuteganisa ubwibara ry'amizi na munonga barukorwa mugombora ya Karangura aha cyare cya Kamabare nibagera nkumara ubwire bwinji batwire nibakorese byagana kurwo mugera kandi umurundo ngo gumwente nazo zigakoresa okunywamwa amizi eki nibagera ngo kitumere baguma nibakoresa amizi gamarofa otireho no kuganywa
amizi zitaye kisaru cyo nikisende nzuro bwo kugwa biganda byonka tukubona amizi agarungi no ubu kira muno bwira bwenzura abana bite banywera kimukubira kisaru nkico nico tukulete naco kumara kwijora abana babona itwe abantu abakamabale omuruka gwa Karangura twine nako eyamaizi muno nitumye kisaru obo ono napama mu kisaru hano ono nataha amaizi no gatwara muka abana nibanyi
amaizi ntunywe bisaru no sanga abana barwale njoka malaria Saba government etuyamba amaizi amarungu
kandi cyamatuletera ni sukuru yetu eribyenga ikatelibana tuwite kitsibo ecyamaetse
abo bwahati nibagera ngo abana babo nibarwara indwara bwashesha bwizire ezuru munke cirukano esheshe enkoro hamwe n'izindi nyinji
uka ne bani umusayi sagama blood about this river
abatura hatana benda government bije bahereza amizi marungi okwenda ngo bakaya harebye bebi
mandi etuyambe etuletera amaizi betu twabona kubina amaizi usokumara na wikibiri tokogera haba amaizi okunywa tukaleka no kunywa nebo buzibu abana bakarwara
konka turi kuganiraho na mukuru wa district ya Kabarore Richard Rwabuhinga nshumince hingwire nagira ngo kizubeki bakitunjira umubazi.
We appreciate the input that government has been giving us. For example, in Ruengaju model village, presidential model village alone, we did receive 150 heads of cattle. The herd now is multiplying to it is closing to about 300. We received 500 pigs, and the farmers received them there. We received quail birds, 5,000 of them. This did not do well with our farmers, and now the challenge remains supplying this sub-county with water all through, especially the water for domestic use by national water, giving it electricity to all villages, which is not yet achieved. We are still at below 40%.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.